Start level 1, 1.
Hi everybody, my name is Carlos. I'm a student of the exercise science major here in the University of Central Arkansas, and today I'm going to present to you the course Navette or BIP test. It's a multi-stage fitness test. It was created in the University of Montreal in Canada in the 1970s, and it consists of running back and forth between 2 points that they are separated about 20 meters, but we are going to use like 22 yards because it's Talking about the purpose of this test is considered a cardiovascular endurance test. So the purpose is to be doing the test the maximum time possible, as the speed and the distance we are gonna be covering is gonna be gradually increasing. And also with this test we can measure the aerobic power and capacity. This test is important because it can be used to evaluate candidates in certain career paths, such as the physical exams for government or for police. And also in sports it can be used as an evaluation for grading the players or assessing their aerobic capacity or for training. And in amateur sports also is really useful because we just need a small few things for the equipment. We just need something to delimit the 20 meters and to put the audio on a speaker. Okay, the procedures of this test: first it starts with a triple beep, and then the following beeps is when we are supposed to reach the end point of the space we have, and to count each time we reach the line we have to get at least 1 foot on the line or across the line. There are 21 levels. Each level is gonna last about 1 minute, and after following to the next level the speed of the beep is gonna be increased. So as I said before, the purpose is to stay in the test maximum time possible, as the speed and the distance we are going to cover is going to be increasing. There are certain variations of this test. The most common is starting in the level 1 with a speed of 8.5 kilometers per hour, and each level is going to be increased about 0.5 kilometers per hour.
Start level 1, 1.
In this video we can see how the level 1 of the test would be. As you can see, the beep is so slow compared to the
Level
first one.
2.
And now you can see how level 8 looks like. The beep is faster than level 1, and this could be like the middle of the test.
Level 8, 3. Start
Now
level
we can see
11,
a
1.
of our disqualification, as the participant doesn't reach the line before the beep ends, and he has to do this twice, so he's disqualified.
3.
Now I'm gonna explain to you the normal values of this test. I'm gonna show you a chart divided by the ages of the participants, and this is organized depending on the level each one has reached while during the test. And in this chart there is gonna be graded from 1 to 10 the performance of each participant.
Here we can see a chart divided in two sections. The first one is for men and the second one for women. Each section is also divided in the age of the participants, and this chart uses the levels that the participants has reached to define the grade they get from the test.
The results of this test can be interpreted to calculate the maximum consumption of oxygen through a formula I'm going to show you. For calculating this we need the help of a chart in which we can see the speed and the distance we have covered in each of the levels of the test. And also these values, each organization has its own demands. For example, in the Swedish Army they ask a minimum of 9.5 grade, and in the Canadian Army they ask a minimum of 10.
And in this last chart we can see everything about each level of the test, and we can use also this chart to calculate the maximum consumption of oxygen through the previous formula I showed you. Here also appear the time it took to pass every level